Looks like Chopper and Plane are having fun. Let's go to the airport. Let's help him, Alex. I will ask for some help. You go get the materials that we will use to fix the hole. Hello, Train. Can you help him get out of that hole? Thank you very much, Train. Now let's see, what materials did you gather, Alex? Let's try the first material. A thin triangle plastic. It doesn't cover the hole, and it's not hard enough to carry the weight of the truck. Let's try the next material. A thick rectangle wood. Let's try it. It almost covered the hole, but it's not hard enough to carry the weight of the truck. Let's try the last material. A thick and heavy square metal. It covered the hole, and it's hard enough to carry the weight of the truck. Yeah! Let's now go to the airport, Alex.